How can evaluate the following expressions of trigonometric equation? Now, here, here's sine 390 degree. Where located 390 degree? Which angles, reference angles of 390 degree? Now starting here, one rotation is 316 degree. Now 316 plus 13, which is equals to 319 degree. So sine 319 degree, which is equals to sine 13 degree. So sine 13, which means 1 over 2. So which is equals to 1 over 2. 1 over 2. Also, sine negative 660 degree. We're located 660 degree. Now it is clockwise direction. Here 300 negative 360. So 360, which means remain 300. So remain 300. Here negative 300. So which is equals to 13 degree. So which is equals to also 1 over 2.